All right, so welcome to our product training, product positioning dito sa ating productivity nights. We're now talking about Active Health Invest Plus kasi bakit ito yung napili ko? Unang-una, again, as you noticed last month, we talked about A plus signature and the positioning. Hinalin tulad natin siya sa AHIP, no? Doon sa Active Health Invest Plus. Pangalawa, this is our best-selling product before pandemic na nakalimutan na lang ng mga tao. Diba? So, ayokong kalimutan siya habang available pa siya. No, kasi malay mo, magkaroon tayo ng mga bagong products which I know magkakaroon tayo. No? So, habang nandiyan siya, maximize natin kasi this is one of our best products din talaga. Type sa chat box. Kung meron ka ng VUL license, type in VUL. At kung wala ka pang VUL license, type in OL or ordinary life. Go ahead. Type sa chat box if you have a VUL license, type VUL. If you don't have a license yet, type OL. Alright? Ayan, tapos makikita natin later. So, let's have this product review about Active Health Invest Plus. Ano-ano ba yung meron dito sa Health Invest? Si Health Invest Plus, ang positioning niya talaga, protection plus accumulation. So, ibig sabihin, pinoprotektahan natin, so primarily insurance siya. Tapos, so yun yung health insurance niya, no? Then, investment, kasi mag-invest siya, no? Yung investment, you will able to accumulate something. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng nababayad mo napupunta lang sa insurance. May pwede kang ma-withdraw in the future. No? Kaya lang, syempre, may mga consequence if you withdraw. Alright? Pero yun siya, protection siya plus accumulation. Pwede kang mag-ipon for the future. Bakit important yung health invest? Kasi nga, as we all know, meron tayong tinatawag na life uncertainties. So, ang maganda dito sa Health Invest, you are protecting while you are saving. So, nagsisave ka in the future. It's not really about investment. Pwede natin tawaging saving in a way, long term. Ang maganda sa protection, kaya kailangan ng protection, and this is for every product out there. Imagine sa gitna, itong triangle na to, ito yung kliyente mo. And si kliyente mo, no, buhay siya, malakas siya, napoprotektahan niya yung family niya. Let's say, imagine a breadwinner. No? Yung napoprotektahan niya yung family niya, yung mga tinayo niyang negosyo kung meron, tuloy-tuloy, hindi nalulugi, hindi bumabagsak. Yung mga assets na naipundar niya, bahay, kotse, savings, etc., nandiyan dyan, intact. And then kung may savings siya sa bangko, no, meron. Nakikip siya na protected dahil sa income ng breadwinner. Dahil malakas siya, buhay siya, wala siyang sakit. Protected yung nasa gitna. However, may mga life uncertainties na umaatake, potentially umatake sa family natin. Ito yung tatlong major life uncertainties. Death, in case of death, na mamatay, you get sick or ma-hospitalize. No? Critically ill or get hospitalized or disabled. Ito yung tatlong products na kino-cover natin or will the Health Invest present tong lahat na to. Meron siyang health insurance, meron siyang life insurance, critical illness coverage, meron din siyang hospitalization benefits in case mo hospitalized. So, ibig sabihin, yung three life and major uncertainties, you die too soon, you get sick, or you live too long, alright, pwede niyang ma-protektahan yan. Diba? Yun ang coverage sa Health Invest. No? May life insurance siya, may critical illness siya, may hospitalization siya. So, si Health Invest, bukod sa mga ganon, sa life insurance, ang major niyang benefit na ina-highlight is it gives you coverage from 56 major critical illnesses up to age 75. So again, before ACP, this is the best product for critical illness. So still one of the best. Magkaiba na nga lang ang kanilang positioning. So imagine before, ito lang ang produkto na mayroong critical illness coverage. Kaya ito na talaga yung major na binibenta up to age 75. 56 major illnesses na siya. Yun yung maganda. And then, meron siyang early stage critical illness rider wherein mag-a-advance siya ng 25% of the critical illness coverage in case of diagnosis of a early stage critical illness. So parang ACP din natin, no? And then, pwede siyang lagyan ng accident insurance rider na wala sa ACP. So ito optional to, pwedeng wala, pwedeng meron. Alright, so, then, nakapackage pala talaga siya na may accident insurance rider. Alright? So ito yon. Gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na magkano aabutin yung premium for the packaged health invest product. Ang nilagay ko lang dito na pwedeng wala yung medical reimbursement. So, mura lang naman siya, no? 1,000 lang, kaya nilagay na natin. So, a male age 30, Health Invest Plus 7 years to pay, no? Kasi ito lang yung pinaka-longest niya, 7 years to pay, would be around 48,382.20. Ang maganda rito, ang dami niyang coverages. By only saving about 4,000 a month, covered ka na ng 750,000 na life insurance. You get 750,000 na accident and health coverages in case of accidental death. Additional 750,000, so it becomes 1.5 million. Medical reimbursement na 50,000 in case of an accident. Let's say nakagat ng aso, natapilok, nabundol, buhay si client. Kada ma-accident, the client can reimburse up to 50,000. So again, 2 years ago, nag-basketball ako sa isang liga, nagkaroon ako ng dislocated finger. Nagpa-ER ako kasi ayoko naman tumagal pa, no? Sabado yun. So yung doktor, wala siya doon, tinatanong kung pwede akong bumalik ng Monday. Sabi ko, hindi, balik punta na siya. So mas mahal daw, sige, okay lang. No? So ER, ganyan. So in short, diniretso, no? Inayos yung daliri ko. Umabot po ng 20,000 yung bill ko doon. So binayaran, ganyan. Tapos naka-reimburse ako. Ganon. So kung may health card ka, babayaran yon. You just get the receipt, the statement of account, i-file mo, makaka-reimburse ka. Tumubo ka pa. Tumubo pa po ako dito sa, ano na to, sa aksidente na yun. No? Kasi syempre, 3 insurance yung na-claiman ko. Yun. So, yun yung maganda sa medical reimbursement. Aside from that, meron tayong early stage critical illness, 375,000, na in case early stage yung ma-claim, mag-a-advance ang 25% ng 375,000. And then, waiver of premium for critical illness in case ma-diagnose ng critical illness yung client, nandun sa list, ma-waive na yung premium, hindi yung 30,000 na premium. So, ang hindi lang ma-waive yung accident insurance, hindi siya kasama sa Health Invest. And then, merong Vitality membership fee na 1,200. All in all, 48,382.20, 7 years to pay lang, covered ka na itong lahat na to. So, sulit ba? Type in the chat box, sulit, if you feel sulit, no, yung premium. Napakadaming coverages for only 48,382.20. And take note, 7 years to pay lang siya. Madalis na tapos. Alright, so again, yung product na to, meron siyang waiver of premium upon diagnosis of a covered critical illness. Hindi mo na kailangan bayaran yung premium niya. Insured ka pa din, no, up to age 100. Si AIA na kasi yung maghuhulog ng premium mo. Yun yung purpose ng waiver of premium. And then, ang maganda kay Health Invest, I just wanna highlight this. Ito yung positioning niya. No? We're talking about positioning. Short-term paying option siya. No? Dahil nga, if you're comparing it with the other whole life plans that we have, di ba? 10 years to pay, 20 years to pay, by up to age 65. Ganun karamihan. No? Again, naka-asterisk yung short term kasi nga, not guaranteed yung paying period. No? So, wag niyo pong, okay, magpo-promise ng guaranteed. Pag VUL, lahat ng VUL, not guaranteed yung paying period. So, parang option lang siya to pay kasi hoping na yung account value niya, enough na. Kaya nga siya ini-invest. Yung investment part, kaya siya ini-invest para shorter lang yung paying period. Kaya niya nang bayaran yung future insurance cost. Hindi para withdrawin, para kumita ka. Hindi po ganon. Ang VUL kinreate para na nilagyan ng investment para lang maging shorter yung long term. Kasi nga, long term paying ang whole life. Yun po talaga yung history niyan. Kaya na-create ang VUL para sana shorter term yung paying period. Hindi para maging investment na withdrawin mo rin or pagkakitaan mo. Hindi po ganon. Alright? Pag i-explain mo ng maigi, wala dapat ikagalit yung kliyente. So payment options ng Health Invest, may 5 years to pay, may 7 years to pay. Alright? So, and then, meron siyang optional hospitalization riders. Ito po pala yung optional, no? So, yung kanina, package siya. Ito, pwedeng wala, pwedeng meron. So, kapag nilagyan mo siya, yung 48,000 kanina becomes around 57,000. Ano yung nadagdag? Yung hospital confinement benefit. So if you've noticed the same coverage, no? 750,000 basic coverage or face amount in case of death, up to age 100 covered ka. 750,000 accident insurance, 50,000 na medical reimbursement, and 375,000 early stage critical illness. Merong nadagdag yung hospital confinement benefit. Ano yun? Up to age 65 kang covered. Kahit 7 years ka lang nagbabayad. So, daily hospital income, yung DHI, 2,000 pesos nakalagay. Pwede mong taasan, pwede babaan. Alright? So, for this coverage, in case of hospitalization, let's say, 5 days ka sa hospital, per night of confinement, makaka-claim ka ng 2,000 pesos. So, kunyari 5 days sa hospital, 2,000 times 5, 10,000 yung marireimburse mo. Hindi po yan health card na babayaran niya yung hospital. Hindi. Babayaran mo muna, settle mo muna, pa-process natin, makaka-claim ka, i-deposit sa account. Alright, so that's 2,000. Per night of confinement, 365 days hanggang age 65. Alright, so yun ang coverage niyan. Every day ang covered ka hanggat nagbabayad ka. LTH, long-term hospitalization. In case of hospitalization, more than 30 days. Simula ika-31st day, 2,000 plus 2,000 yung makukuha mo. So, 4,000 na. No? Pag lumagpas ka ng 30 days sa hospital, long-term hospitalization, 4,000 na. Aside from that, may ICU benefit. Kung ICU ang hospitalization, instead of 2,000, magiging 4,000 siya. Alright? In case of ICU, hindi normal na room. Tapos may outpatient treatment benefit. Ito parang dun sa enhanced medical benefit rider natin na bago. Ito, kailangan ma-confine. Pag na-confine ka, yung outpatient treatment mo before check-up, before ma-confine, tsaka 14 days after ma-confine, may ano ka, di ba? May parang follow-up check-up ka, i-reimburse 1,000 pesos. So parang 2,000 na additional na naman. Right? So, tapos may waiver of premium again. So, all in all, 57,585.47. Diba? So, maganda ba? Type in maganda in the chat box if nagagandahan kayo dito sa Health Invest. Again, please take note, 7 years to pay lang ito. Alright? 7 years to pay lang ang coverage na to. Yan yung lahat ng nababanggit natin na product. Na coverage, no, with this product. Ang maganda pa rito, the premium amount is flexible to your budget. So katulad ng nadidiscuss natin kanina, di ba? Yun nga, kay Ms. Cleofe, kung namamahalan, pwede naman tayo maging flexible. Pwede rin naman kung naliliitan sa coverage, pwede natin dagdagan. Alright? So, most of our products naman, talagang kaya nating i-fit sa kanila unless yun na yung pinakamura mong offer, di ba? At bababa pa, wala na talaga. But hanap ka na ibang produkto. So, I just wanna show you kung 7 years to pay na ang coverage is 750,000, again, 57,585.47. Kung naliliitan sa coverage, let's say, wala ka bang 1 million, 1.2 million, so ayan, ginawa natin 1,250,000. Tapos, so, ang pagtaas nun, kunyari 1.250 na rin yung accident and health, tumaas na rin yung medical reimbursement up to 100,000 yan. Ayan, and then, early stage critical illness, kalahati ng critical illness coverage, pwede mong taasan yan kapantay ng face amount. Kung gusto mo, syempre tataas din yung premium. So, depende kay kliyente. Alright, na-adjust din yun. Ang minimum niya, kalahati ng face amount. Tapos, kinip natin yung hospital confinement benefit. Pwede mo rin taasan yan. Yung mga VIP clients ko, tigpa 5,000 ang nilalagay ko dyan. Pag alam kong hindi problema yung pambayad, sasagad ko yung coverage talaga ng daily hospital income. 5,000 per night para kung 10 araw sa hospital, 50,000 yun. Ramdam na ramdam talaga. No? At hanggang age 65 silang covered dito. So talagang masusulit nila by only paying for 7 years. Alright, so 89,383.27 lang. 7 years to pay lang to, so wala pang 1 million yung pinayad niya. Like, how much? 600,000 lang. And meron din tayong 5 years to pay. So kunyari sa 5 years to pay, 1,700,000. Ito yung pinakamura niya, no? Yung basic premium niya 70,000. Tapos add mo yung mga riders. So ito yung pinakamura. Aabot ng 1,750 yung basic premium, yung coverage niya, face amount. Tapos 1,750 rin yung accident insurance, 100,000 medical reimbursement, 875,000 early stage critical illness, and then pinareho ko na lang yung daily hospital income. All in all, 138,764 lang to for 5 years. Marami kaming gantong benta na 5 years lang para tapos kagad. Marami akong mga VIP clients no, na binibentahan ko pa rin ng Health Invest para tapos kagad. Tapos tsaka ko sila i-upsell ng ACP. Ako yun po yung style ko. Kung VIP to, ni-refer sa akin, at hindi naman niya masyadong problem yung pambayad, bebentahan ko siya ng 5 years to pay para tapos agad. Yun yung purpose ko. Gusto ko tapos agad para covered na siya. And then of course, they can add in the future, etc. Di-discuss ko sa kanila to na hindi to pang investment. Alright, talagang insurance ito. And then, tsaka ko lalagyan ng additional coverage or magta-top up tayo. Of course, meron tayong AIA Vitality Benefit si Health Invest. No? So anong ginagawa ni Vitality? For Health Invest, ito yung coverage niya. Parang ECP. You can get additional 20% coverage boost on the first year. So kunyari, 1 million yung coverage mo plus 20%, automatic 1.2 million na yung insurance mo. Alright? And it can go up to 50% additional. So yung 1 million mo, it could be 1.5 million. Ang maganda kay Health Invest, lahat ng diniscuss ko doon na coverage, babalik natin, no? Ayan. Lahat yan, magko-coverage boost. So yung life insurance na 1,750 plus 20% yan. Yung accident insurance plus 20% siya. Yung early stage critical illness na 875,000 plus 20% siya. Yung daily hospital income benefit na 2,000 magiging plus 20%, 2,400 siya. Taangat lahat ng 20%. Yun yung maganda kay Health Invest. Lahat siya nabuboost. Alright, with Vitality. Up to 50% kung ginagamit mo yung Vitality mo, let's say nag-gold ka. Gold kasi achievable eh. No? Sobrang achievable ng gold, yung platinum pang mga kinakareer siya. So pag gold yung na-achieve mo sa Vitality, plus 5% yun. So next year, 25% na. Na-gold ka ulit this year, 25 plus 5%, so 30% na. No? Sa gold kasi, if you use your Vitality, i-take mo lang lagi yung assessment, magpa-check up ka lang, upload mo doon yung results, tapos naglalakad-lakad ka, nag-sync ka some of your points, may hit mo yung 20,000 points for gold. Alright? So yun po si Vitality. And then of course, you can get cash rewards when you keep yourself healthy. So every week, you can get 100 pesos GCash or yung other rewards nila. Diba? Tapos kung may group ka pa, pwede pang 200 pesos. No? Na-discuss last Saturday kung umattend kayo ng ating agency assembly. May magandang mga rewards yung Vitality this year. So dapat aralin natin ito. Maximize natin 10th year anniversary pa man din ng Vitality. Alright, so ang highlight ko lang, gusto ko lang ipaalala sa inyo that Health Invest or Active Health Invest Plus, although may invest sa pangalan, is not an investment product. It's not an investment product. Again, lahat ng VUL, kaya yan ini-invest para shorter pay lang. Again, not guaranteed pa rin yung shorter pay. Pero yun. Kasi kung napansin mo, sa whole life, longer paying period talaga. Kaya hindi attractive. No? Kaya nga, limited yung market. Ito yung binabanggit ko dati pa, na kapag sa ACP ka lang nakafocus or sa whole life ka lang nakafocus, mas konti yung mabibentahan mo kasi yung iba ayaw talaga ng long term or diba, hindi nila kaya mag-commit ng long term. So the shorter term, the better. So tulad ng ginawa ni Miss Eva, 20 pay, pinakita niya yung 10 pay. Kung afford naman yung 10 pay, mas maganda, ako personally, mas magandang 10 pay. Kasi gusto ko yung, pag natapos mo, fully paid na talaga. Alright? So a lot of our clients would want to commit on a shorter paying period. No? That's why, yun, maganda rin sa Health Invest. Meron niyang market. So yan, VUL is positioned mainly as savings for a health fund if you go beyond age 75. So si Health Invest ganito, di ba yung critical illness coverage niya hanggang age 75 lang? So yung account value niya, ganito mo dapat ipoposisyon. Alright? O hindi mo natin withdrawin yung pera mo dito. Meron yung account value. Now yung critical illness coverage up to age 75. Just in case, humaba yung buhay mo, never ka nagkasakit hanggang age 75. Of course, pag 76 na tayo and onwards, medyo concern natin paano kung doon ako nagkasakit. Yung account value ng Health Invest mo, doon mo siya gagamitin. So guys, yung account value ng Health Invest, dapat nakasave siya, emergency fund for health purposes pa rin. Kaya siya Health Invest. It's a health product. It's not an investment product. Right? Ganun dapat i-position sa Health Invest para walang buyer's remorse. Alright? So yun po siya. Para po, in the future, may health fund ka, whether magkasakit ka early or magkasakit ka beyond age 75. Kaya maganda pa rin siya na product kahit hindi siya up to age 75. Alright? Now, of course, you can still withdraw the money and gamitin mo sa ibang purpose like travel and all. Option nyo na po yun. But again, if you withdraw in full, yung pera, sa VUL, mawawala na po lahat ng benefits na pinag-usapan natin. Kahit po after age 75 or earlier mo siya withdrawin. Alright, so clarify nyo lang po yun. Clarify nyo lang po yun. Dapat lang paulit-ulit lang with your client. Lalo na kapag kliyente mo na sila, i-policy review mo, wala naman na silang magagawa. Nakabili naman na sila eh. So i-policy review mo, manage mo na yung expectation para in the future, wala nang magagalit. Alright? Kesa kung kailan pagalit, tsaka mo lang kakausapin. Again, for all VULs, once you withdraw in full, you will not be insured anymore. Lahat ng benefits na diniscuss natin kanina, mawawala na po lahat yun. Now, ang question, who is this product for? So isipin natin, sino yung market nito? Alright? Unang-una, this is for people looking for a comprehensive health plan apart from a critical illness coverage. Kunyari may kliyente ka na ACP, no? Again, ang challenge kay ACP, it's only for critical illness. So, maganda siya, very responsible siya, mura siya, pero yun lang siya, kulang siya. Alright, it's not comprehensive. It's only for critical illness, although ang dami niyang coverage sa critical illness. Pero pang isa lang siya na purpose, critical illness. Paano kung na-aksidente, nakagat ng aso, wala ka makukuha sa ACP? Alright, si Health Invest, pwede. What if na-hospitalized? Dengue. Ang dami kong ganong kliyente po, ang dami kong claims ng Health Invest. Diba, normal hospitalization. Happy sila kasi naka-claim sila. Diba? Meron akong client, in 1 year or in 2 years, 3 beses na hospital, tigpa 5 days, nung time na may sakit siya. Diba? So, tigta 10,000 yun, na-process namin 3 beses. So, napakinabangan niya yung Health Invest niya. And then, pagdating ng pandemic, nawalan sila masyado ng kita, yung account value ng Health Invest, winidraw nila. Walang sama ng loob kasi napakinabangan nila yung policy. Plus, during the time na meron silang emergencies, meron silang cash na kung wala silang Health Invest, wala silang nakuha. Diba? So, maganda pa rin ang VUL if you discuss it properly. Wala pong magagalit na client. No? So, position it as a comprehensive health plan. May life insurance ka, may accident insurance ka, may medical reimbursement, may critical illness coverage, may daily hospital income benefit. And some of our advisors, they even add a surgical benefit. Diba? So, either or yun sa medical reimbursement. Isa pa, may mga kliyente na ang tingin nila, hindi naman nila kailangan ng coverage beyond age 75. Sabihin nila, okay na siguro hanggang age 75 na critical illness. Kung tumanda ako beyond age 75, malamang hindi na ako magkaka-critical illness, which malaki talaga yung chance. Na pag umabot ka ng age 75, wala kang critical illness, mukhang hindi ka na magkaka-critical illness. You will just, die a natural death. Most likely. You lived a healthy life, most likely. Diba? So, okay na ako hanggang age 75 na coverage. So baka si Health Invest yung para sa kanya, para shorter paying period, hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng 20 years, hindi up to age 100 yung pinag-uusapan natin. And now, na-expand mo yung market mo. Kasi si ACP, maganda siya, pero again, limited market. Alright? And of course, ito pa yon. Ito talaga yung isa sa major market. People who like short-term paying health plans. Tignan niyo po, Medicard. Si Medicard, pay up to age 65. Diba? Kasi term insurance siya. As you pay, insured ka lang for 365 days. Bayad ka ulit next year. Forever ang bayaran ng health card. Alright? ACP, 20 years to pay. 10 years to pay. Right? What if gusto ko ng health plan, may pera ako, may market ako, VIP ako, mayaman-yaman ako. Gusto ko 5 years lang ako magbabayad or 7 years lang ako magbabayad. Health investment para sa kanya. May market po ito. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. Ito po, nagpapa-MDRT sa amin. Marami po nag-MDRT dahil din dito. Dahil with the same coverage, mas malaki yung premium pero shorter. And VIP clients like that. Alright? So, you can also use that. Again, explain mo lang na maigi. Explain mo lang na maigi. Tulungan nyo lang na bantayan yung policies niya, yung account value and all. And wag nyong ibibigay yung idea na withdrawin niya yung policy. Hindi. Pang health plan nga ito. Alright? Pero may market po yan. No, naalala ko when I give this training 2 years ago, no? Parang mga July last year, July ng 2023 in one of our product trainings. Some of our advisors bumili ng 7 years to pay kasi oo nga no, gusto ko shorter pay tapos na ako. So bili yung husband niya, etc. Maganda po talaga tong product na to. Alright? Huwag nating kalimutan. Kaya lang, syempre, you should have a VUL license. So sa mga wala pang VUL na gusto mag-offer nito, get a VUL license. Alright? Maganda rin po siya. And marami po tayong palabas na VUL products according to our products team. So dapat i-ready mo na po yun. Alright, sino pa? Yung meron pang AIA Critical Protect policy holders who would like to add health coverage. Kunyari may ACP ka na. Alam ka namang ACP ulit ang ibenta mo dun sa kliyente na yun, di ba? So para magkaroon ng ibang flavor at marami kang ibang i-discuss as napakaraming coverage, bentahan mo ng Health Invest. So in fact, pwedeng upsell siya. So you had a foot in the door, nakapasok ka na, mamura lang yung policy, ACP, inalagaan mo siya 1 year, 2 years, 3 years na kayo, bentahan mo ng Health Invest. Alright, 7 years to pay. So there will be some clients that will be capable. Kunyari OFW, si Aisha, maraming client na OFW, di ba? Kung OFW yan, ako, I always like shorter pay, like 5 or 7 years to pay. Bakit? Maybe yung budget niya, hindi na, siguro, in the next 5 to 7 years, nag-abroad pa siya, pero not in 20 years. So gusto ko na 5 years, 7 years, tapos na natin. Pag nasa abroad ka pa rin, ibili na lang tayo ulit. Ganon. Diba? So gusto ko yung natatapos na product. I like those types of products. Kasi nga, ang gusto ko, na-fully pay yung plan. Na-fully pay yung plan para again, kung gusto niyang maghulog in the future, hindi na kailangan yearly, di ba? Ganon. Bukod doon sa bibili siya ulit, edi mag-MDRT ulit ako. Those are some of my strategies, no? So, bentahan ko ng malaki, tapos niya na, 5 years, bentahan ko ulit. Na mas makakabenta ako ulit. So, win-win for everyone. No? Pero ang pinaka-priority ko doon, ayoko kasi nung parang ang tagal niyang hindi matatapos. Kakabahan ako baka humina yung negosyo, mawalan ng trabaho, ganun. So gusto ko tapusin niya kagad yung policy. Lalo na kung bigger premium. Alright? For bigger premiums, I like shorter pay. Tandaan niyo yan. Kung mga tig to 20,000, 30,000 lang yan, okay lang yan. Kaya niyang kitain niyo. Diba? So yun. So MDRT strategy po ito. Tinutulong ko po sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo mag-MDRT, mag-qualify dun sa Bangkok trip, dun sa mga rookies, you need bigger premiums to hit some of the programs, no, the incentives natin, no. So dapat marunong din kayo pumili ng produkto na yung mayroon kang competitive advantage. All right? So now, let's compare it with A+ Signature. So A+ Signature, sinasabi ko sa inyo, I want this to be our flagship product moving forward as of today. For the simple reason na mukha siyang Health Invest. Mukha talaga siyang Health Invest. Guaranteed lang. So let's compare. Si A+ Signature, 10 years to pay, age 30 male. Kung ang coverage niya, 10 years to pay, face amount 250,000, ito yung pinakamura. Life insurance na is 500,000. TPD niya, 250,000. Personal accident insurance niya, 250,000. And then critical illness coverage, 250,000. And then there's an enhanced waiver of premium. Kaya siya enhanced kasi pati TPD covered niya. Yung WPCI, which is waiver of premium for critical illness lang. Alright, so, and then, i-total mo yon 10 years to pay, 70,830.58. Now, ang maganda lang kay A+ Signature compared to Health Invest, again, yung payout niya every 2 years up to age 100, 25,000 yun, 10% ng face amount. Diba? Yun yung A+ Signature. So, you have all these benefits, comprehensive life insurance din siya, may critical illness coverage, although walang daily hospital income, sana in the future pa rin lagyan. Alright? So since wala pa, so yun yung positioning niya, ang maganda lang, ito guaranteed every 2 years, bibigyan ka ng 25,000. Wala ka na dapat alalahanin withdrawal charges, mababawasan mo yung account value ko. Wala nang gano'n. Guaranteed dyan, tuloy-tuloy habang buhay ka, makatanggap ka ng 25,000. I-compare mo naman natin sa 7 years to pay na Health Invest. Alright? For the same 30-year-old male, mas malaki ng konti yung life insurance, 750,000. Accident insurance, 750,000. Hindi 250. Early stage critical illness, 375,000, hindi 250. Diba? May hospital confinement benefit pa, 2,000 a night, long-term hospitalization, ICU, and outpatient treatment benefit. All in all, 56,000 lang, 7 years away. So mas mura siya lalabas kay A+ Signature, hindi ba? Yun nga lang, hindi guaranteed yung paying period. So medyo may konting intricacies. Diba? Sabihin mo lang, in the future, pag medyo mababa ang account value, dapat magdadagdag tayo. So 7 years to pay yan, pero may possibility. Pero hindi din naman talaga sobrang laki ng chance. So dapat lang bantayan mo tsaka hindi ka nag-withdraw sa account value. Ganon. Kasi meron nga akong Health Invest na nabenta, 10 years to pay yun before, nung meron pang 10 years to pay. Parang naka 5 years siya na bayad. Naka 5 years siya na bayad. 7 years lang hindi na bayaran. Binalikan lang ako ngayon. So parang 2018 So parang 4 years lang siya nagbayad. 2014 to 2018 lang siya nagbayad. 2018 to 2025, hindi nagbayad. Alright? May account value pa rin hanggang ngayon. So hindi pa nagla-lapse. So pwede namin i-reinstate kasi hindi siya lapse. So hahabulin namin yung mga missed premiums niya. Gano'n, kaibigan ko to. Binalikan ako, tagal ko na pina-follow up, so biglang nakalimutan ko na. Nagtanong sa akin ngayon, ang sabi ko nung last month, ay nako baka lapse na yun, ang tagal mo nang hindi nagbayad. So chinek ko. Pag check ko sa portal, ano pa? Premium paying pa din. Gano'n, so kinakain lang unti-unti yung account value niya. So insured pa rin siya, 7 years hindi nagbayad. So medyo bata-bata to, mas bata sa akin. So parang 35 siguro siya. Alright, so kumuha siya 7 years ago. Parang mga 10 years ago, edi 25 lang siya. So may account value siyang nag-ipon. 4 years lang siya nagbayad. Diba? So maganda rin talaga, no, si Health Invest. So, pag nakapagbayad ka ng enough number of years, nakalimutan mo magbayad or nawalan, hindi mo withdraw, it could sustain. Alright? Unlike syempre pag whole life, mabilis mag-lapse yun kasi magpa-policy loan siya. Alright? Maganda rin ang Health Invest, again, ang VUL pag alam mo kung paano i-explain. So may pros and cons, VUL and OL, pareho po yung maganda. No? Depende sa kliyente. Now, kung namamahalan pa rin sa 57,000, pwede mong offer ng 20 years to pay na A+ signature. 40,000 naman siya sa same age 30 male. So, di ba nakita niyo yung conversation ngayon? Pwede ka magkaroon ng mga different options eh. With the same product, with the same client, kung hindi kaya si 70K, maybe pang Health Invest siya 7 years. Kung hindi pa rin kaya, meron ka A+ signature pero 20 years. Kasi yun na talaga yung kaya kong pinakamababa sa A+, sa Health Invest. Ito na 57,000. Yan na yung lowest talaga. Now, tanggalin ko yung hospital in confinement benefit, 48,000. Yun yung pinakamababa, 48,000. No? Tatanggalin ko yung DHI. Diba? So pwede pa rin, 48,000, 7 years to pay. Diba? Napakamura. 50,000 times 7, 360,000 lang mabayaran. Tapos agad. Diba? Maganda siya. Alright? So now, ito rin po yung A+ signature. So, ang tanong ko, ano ka ba? Team A+ or Team AHIP? Type in the chat box, Team AHIP or Team A+. Type in the chat box yan para makita natin later. So, just to summarize it all, si A+ signature versus Health Invest Plus, alright? Yung withdrawal niya or savings, long-term savings niya, no? Or the cash payout niya, si A+ signature, magkakaroon ka ng cash payout na 10% of the face amount every 2 years up to age 100, starting at the end of year 5 or year 6. Si Health Invest Plus, yung account value less withdrawal charges, kasi pag nag-withdraw ka, mayroong withdrawal charges sa first 10 years. If applicable, nakalagay dyan. Kasi pag 11 years and onwards na, wala nang withdrawal charges. So, magkaiba po. Magkaiba siya. So, pag nag-withdraw ka, wala pang 10 years, may bawas yung wini-withdraw. Alright? Maturity benefit, may maturity benefit siya. 200% of the face amount yung makukuha mo at age 100 or upon death, di ba? Si Health Invest Plus, age 100. Kung buhay ka pa at age 100, kung ano man yung account value, yun yung makukuha mo. Alright? So, life insurance coverage, 200% of the face amount. No? Si Health Invest, variable based sa amount ng premium. So, baliktad. Iba ang proposal niya. Ikikiin mo either kung magkano face amount gusto mo or magkano premium, yung basic premium. So, pag in-enter mo 30,000, kasi yun ang pinakamababa, mag-a-add ng mga rider, kaya abot ng 48,000 or 57,000 pag may DHI. Alright? Paying period, guaranteed 5 years, 10 years, and 20 years to pay si A+ signature. Si Health Invest, not guaranteed 5 years tsaka 7 years to pay lang. Issue age, policy owner, age 18 to 99, pareho. Issue age ng insured, 0 to age 65, yung A+ signature, Health Invest, 18 to age 65. Hindi po pwede siya bata sa Health Invest. No? Hindi siya pwede sa minor. Right? Hindi siya pwedeng lagyan ng critical illness. ACP lang ang pwede na pang minor. Kaya sa ACP talagang sobrang mabenta. Alright? So, iba. Si Health Invest pang 18 and above siya. Right? Minimum coverage, 500,000 life insurance, 250,000 critical illness coverage, si A+ signature. Si Health Invest, depende sa age. No? Yung basic premium niya, nalagay mo 30,000, minimum, tapos magko-compute siya magkano yung magiging coverage niya. Habang tumatanda, lumiliit yung multiplier. So, di ba kanina ang example, Sa age 30, 750,000. Kapag age 40 on, mas mababa na, baka 600,000 na lang. Ganon. So lumiliit yung coverage kasi yung premium, nakikip mo siya. No, yun naman yung maganda sa VUL. Parang doon siya sa premium naka-base, tapos lumiliit na lang yung coverage. So you can sell lower than 1 million. Ganon. Positioning. Si A plus signature, pamana siya, legacy siya, tsaka yun na nga, yung positioning natin na comprehensive financial plan siya. Napakadami niyang coverage. Si Health Invest, health insurance talaga siya. Comprehensive health plan. Hindi lang siya pang critical illness. Marami siyang different coverages. And then, in case tumanda ka beyond age 75, it creates a health fund. Yung investment part, iniipon mo yon para sa health fund mo in case you are no you age beyond age 75, no, you reach the age of more than 75 years old. All right? So yun lang po ang ating positioning with Health Invest Plus. I want to know if you have questions. Let me know in the comment section, in the chat box. And let me know then kung Team A Plus ka ba or Team Health Invest.